Hi, this is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Welcome to the lesson. In this lesson we're going to look at 39 by Queen. If you got my email at the end of 2018, then I attached a PDF of this tune. If not, then click the link in the description, put your email address in and I'll send that to you. Also, if you want the tab, then click the same link because I've got tab for this as well. This is the first lesson in my transcription series. I'm not going to teach the bass line in this series. I'm just going to demonstrate the bass line for you and give you something to play along with, and you'll get the PDF as well. John Deacon played a double bass on this track. The story goes that Freddie suggested it might be nice to have an upright on the tune, and the next day John Deacon turned up apparently in the studio and just laid it down on double bass. A friend of mine, Matt Issac, has kindly laid some guitar tracks down, so thanks a lot for those, Matt. So first of all I'm going to play through on the uke bass with Matt's tracks, and the uke bass, to me, it sounds like a bit of a mix between a double bass and a flat wound P bass, so it'd be quite good for this tune. It's a great alternative if you haven't got a double bass. Obviously it's not as nice, it's not exactly the same sound, but it's somewhere in between a double bass and an electric. I'll leave Matt's details in the description as well. You can follow the link to his website and check out and see what else he does. Then I'll play through the track with electric, so you can see it demonstrated on that. And then thirdly, I'll just leave Matt's guitar tracks running, so you have a chance to play through the bass line with his tracks. As always, please leave comments on the video. If there's any bass lines that you'd like me to transcribe for this series, then let me know and I'll have a look at them. you enjoyed the video, then please like and share it, and obviously subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss the new videos. I also did a collaboration of 39 for another YouTube channel called World of Music, so I'll put a link now and you can check that out. Well, I hope you enjoyed the transcription. Pick up the PDF, practice it, and let me know how you get on. See you on Friday. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed.